Hello students, I Neetu Shrivastava appear before you in online class where I will discuss chapter number 2 in English 1 Useless Things. This chapter I have divided into 3 parts. First part I will give you the introduction of the chapter. Second part I will explain the chapter and the third part I will show you the copywork along with the assignment. So let's start part 1. Lesson number 2 Useless Things. Here you see the poem, but before starting this recitation or introduction, I would like to give you a small summary of the lesson 2. Children, this is a poem. Do you know what is poem, children? Yes, I am telling you. Poem is a paragraph of words where all was performed in a form of rhythmic lines with melodious sound and along with the gesture and posture presentation by which children will understand the poem easily. This poem is composed by the great English poet Anonymous, who was the great poet of his age. This poem expresses the views of the poet's imagination and fantasies, where he imagined if useful things lost its basic qualities, then what will happen? Of course, they become useless things for everyone. So let's start recitation of the poem. I am showing you the book English 1 and open page number 13. See here, useless things. Get set. Think what would do in the following situation. Write your responses in the blank space. If your school was no teacher for a day, if the football that you are playing with does not bounce, if the milk that you drink suddenly becomes solid, if the bed that you are sleeping does not have a mattress, if the pool that you are swimming in suddenly becomes dry. This is the imaginative question. See the poem I am showing you here. Many paragraphs, 5, 6 paragraphs are there and few difficult words you will see. I am showing you. I have underlined. See here, scales, then hives, then prop, then mystery. Let's start recitation of the poem. Meaning is also given. Scales, small thin plates on the skin. Hives, place where bees live. Prop, an object actors use while acting. Mystery is something which is difficult to understand. Let's start recitation. Candy that isn't sweet. A bus without a seat. A beach without its sand. An airplane that can't land. Beautiful. A fish without its scales. Monkeys without their tails. A teacher without a class, a window without glass, a pencil without lead, seats without a bed, a pen that doesn't mark, a lamp that leaves room dark, hives without bees, forest with no trees, a book without words, a nest without birds. Go to the next. Sights that can't be seen, a king without a queen, a garden without seeds, jewelry without beads. Last paragraph, an actor without a prop, a street with nowhere to stop, a mystery without a clue, me without you. I at last understood, children. You know very well how to recite the poem. So after watching this video part 1, you will recite the poem 5 times and wait for my next video where I am coming with the second part, explain the lesson number 2. Till then children, bye bye, stay home, stay safe.